Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm going to show you Zelle versus Venmo versus PayPal versus Cash App. Which is better? So I have a chart open in front of you. So in case of two-factor authentication, all of them has 2FA authentication to authenticate and secure your account. So all of them are best in this situation. In case of scam and fraud protection, only Venmo and Zelle doesn't support scam and fraud protection. So if you want to use Venmo or Zelle, you have to be careful of scams and frauds. Okay, in case of encrypted transactions, so all of them are encrypted and all of the transactions are encrypted and safe in Venmo, PayPal, Cash App and Zelle. The ability to link cards. Venmo, PayPal and Cash App have the ability to link external cards with their application, or you can link third-party cards or any other bank cards with Venmo, PayPal and Cash App, but Zelle doesn't support linking cards with its service. Okay, does not require bank account. So Venmo requires a bank account and Cash App also requires a bank account. The service that does not require bank account is PayPal only. So if you want to use a service that you don't want to link your bank account with, you can use PayPal, and also PayPal is accepted like in more than or maybe like in 190 countries. I think Venmo, Cash App and Zelle are only limited to United States. This is a step that is missing from the chart, and I'm telling you from my experience. So if you want to also make international transactions, PayPal is best and other services doesn't allow. If you want to use any of the service, you have to keep that in mind, that if you need specific kind of services and that app does not support or does support, then you can make your mind of what kind of service that you want to use with my video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.